We're just entering the gate. So you're greeted as you come in from the street into this nice little courtyard area, sitting space. Again, the sign 2933 McClure. Now, if we went straight, that would be the front door. Now, most likely, if you live here, you're going to be parking in the garage, that gate I just passed earlier. But if you do come from the street, you are able to come through your own private little gate off this courtyard. And as you can see, you have this amazingly large area right here that is walled, that you can put patio furniture out here, enjoy to yourself. But let's go into the unit. Here we go. All right, we have a little foyer area right here. And then to the right, you're greeted with this very spacious living room, dining room area. These are double pane windows that we have. And here we have the kitchen, dishwasher, gas range, microwave, lots of cabinet space, and a bit of a separate landing from, giving that separation that's so nice between the living room, dining room areas and the kitchen. Again, looking back, I left the door open so you can see how you can go directly out into the your private courtyard. Right here, we have the bedroom. This is a very spacious space. Very easily you could put a king-size bed here. Now the tenants just moved out, so there's still a little bit of cleaning that needs to be done. So excuse the mess. That'll be we'll want to get that tidied up. But what's nice is right off the bedroom, you have this really nice outdoor area that is very private that you get to enjoy as well. So another huge plus of this apartment. Going over here, we can maybe hear the fan, but here's the bathroom. Tub, nice big tub, toilet, and then sink area. And then here is kind of a bonus space. So you have two closet areas. There's a hot water here as well. That is you get to enjoy. Now, you might not have seen me do this, but let me open this door. And as you can see, this goes out into the common area that we took note of when we first walked in. Now, if you are coming from the garage, now the garage is a couple levels below, and remember there's laundry in that area as well. You're going to be taking the elevator. So there's the elevator. And again, this makes it nice and easy. You just come out your door, pop down the elevator to get your mail out here, pop down the elevator to retrieve your car and or do laundry. Okay, so if there's any questions, Jody is the agent. She's happy to answer any questions and or give you a tour. This is a beautiful property. The courtyard and outdoor area in the street is just amazing. It's going to be a pleasure for anyone who's going to be lucky enough to live here. See the links below for more information, and thanks for watching. All right, bye-bye. All right, here's the laundry room. No, here's the garage parking against the wall. So note that there's an elevator in the building. Lots of space down here, and this is where the laundry room is.